You've probably seen those psychology channels that seem to explode out of nowhere. Minimal visuals, simple narration, yet millions of views. Channels like Thynksee and Psyphoria are pulling hundreds of thousands of subscribers using a very specific content formula. Not because they're psychologists, not because they have huge production teams, but because they follow a repeatable content system. Today, I'm going to show you how to analyze that system and recreate it for free using NotebookLM. No filming, no expensive software, no guessing what videos to make. Just a simple AI workflow that turns successful channels into a blueprint you can follow. Let's break it down. Part 1. Why these channels grow so fast. Before we talk about tools, you need to understand why these channels work. Look at channels like Thynksee or Psyphoria. Their videos usually follow the same pattern: simple psychological topics, strong storytelling hooks, illustrated visuals, calm narration, and curiosity-driven titles. And because psychology is an evergreen niche, these videos keep getting views for years. Topics like dark psychology, human behavior, emotional intelligence, social dynamics. People are constantly searching for these. But the real secret isn't the niche, it's the content structure. And that's exactly what we're going to reverse engineer. Part 2. Finding viral channels to analyze. Start by going to YouTube. Search for something like dark psychology. Then filter by this month. This shows videos that are currently performing well, not just old viral videos. You'll quickly notice the same channels appearing again and again. Channels like Thynksee and Psyphoria. Open a few of their most popular videos. Look for patterns: titles, thumbnails, storytelling style, pacing, topics. You're not copying their videos, you're studying their format. This is exactly how media companies plan content. They analyze what works, then build systems around it. Part 3. Using NotebookLM to analyze the channel. Now we bring in the real power tool. Open NotebookLM. Create a new notebook. Now start adding resources. Paste links from several videos from channels like Psyphoria and Thynksee. Add around 20 to 30 videos. Once the tool processes them, you've basically created a mini knowledge base of that niche. Now open the chat section. Ask something like, act as a YouTube strategist and analyze these videos. Give me the structure, hooks, and topic patterns used by these channels. Within seconds, NotebookLM will break down common titles, storytelling frameworks, successful hooks, and topic clusters. This is basically reverse engineering the channel strategy. Part 4. Generating video ideas. Now we generate content ideas. Open Gemini, Google AI. Attach your NotebookLM notebook as a source. Then ask, generate 20 psychology videos better than the competitors in this notebook. You'll instantly get a list of ideas like subtle manipulation tactics people miss, the psychology of silent confidence, why people trust strangers online, hidden social power signals. Pick one, then ask Gemini to generate a high-retention script. Now you have the hardest part done. Part 5. Creating visuals. Channels like Thynksee and Psyphoria don't rely on complicated footage. They use illustrated storytelling visuals. You can generate these with AI. Ask the AI to convert your script into image prompts. Example style: dark surreal psychology illustration, minimalist character, moody lighting. Generate one image per scene. Usually one image every 3 to 4 seconds works best. Part 6. Adding voiceover. Now you need narration. You can use tools like 11 Labs or even Gemini text-to-speech. Paste your script, choose a calm narration voice. Psychology channels work best with slow, thoughtful delivery.
You aren't actually nice. You're just terrified.
Part 7. Editing the video. Open CapCut. Import voiceover, generated images. Then 1. Place the voiceover on timeline. 2. Add images for each scene. 3. Change visuals every 3 seconds. 4. Add subtle zoom motion. 5. Turn on auto captions. Now the video feels dynamic even though it's image-based. Part 8. Thumbnail strategy. Thumbnail matters a lot. Look at channels like Psyphoria. They usually use dark background, simple illustrations, strong emotion, and short text. Example text: hidden manipulation. Keep it simple. Curiosity beats complexity. Here's the real insight most people miss. Successful channels aren't built by guessing ideas. They're built by understanding patterns. Channels like Thynksee and Psyphoria didn't randomly go viral. They followed a content system that works. And with tools like NotebookLM, now you can analyze those systems in minutes. Study what works, build your own version, and let consistency do the rest. If you want the exact prompts and workflow I use, comment clone below, and I'll share them in the next video. And if you're interested in AI tools for YouTube automation, make sure to subscribe because we're just getting started.